Welcome back, guys. So today what we're going to be doing is cleaning up the garage, putting away a whole bunch of stuff, getting it ready to start painting this bad boy right here. So as I said before, it does need a little bit of work left. As you can see, we kind of need to sand it down a little bit more. It obviously still needs to be sanded on the top of the bumper because there used to be cracks. So all that's fixed. And then I'm debating on taking off the doors, the fenders, and everything, and actually painting everything like that, or if I should just go ahead and paint it on the car, because the door jambs and everything are already black. I mean, it was 040, as well as the new paint that I bought, but I guess we'll see when the time comes. And I'm debating on painting the wheels. Should I paint the wheels? Obviously, I'll leave the lip silver polished, but I will be painting the face, I think, black, so that way it does match the car, I guess you could say, perfectly. Other than that, I guess it's time to clean up and try to organize this huge mess I have here. Alright, so now that we have everything pretty much picked up and out of the garage that needed to get out of the way, we need to vacuum up this mess right here. Probably just go across the whole floor, vacuum up all the nastiness that's all over the place. Put this big guy where it's going to go in its new home, right here, replacing this nice cute small one. We'll probably stick that one outside in the outside deck because, well, why not? The welder is going to have to be getting moved over here in its new home. And then we're going to be putting up, I guess you could say, the paint booth and getting this thing all ready to go. Like I said, it still does need a little bit of sanding. So we'll go ahead and knock that out, and then we'll get ready to start taping everything off and knocking it out. The hood needs the most work, though. If I'm being 100% honest, it needs a lot of work. And it doesn't need any work where all of our body lines are that we made. All these are perfect. Needs absolutely nothing here. It just needs a lot of work on this right here. The guy that originally was supposed to paint the car and finish it, he did a terrible job. If you guys look at my past videos, you guys will see how horrible it is. I mean, it was botched. It was horrible. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we have the windows taped up. We have the back bumper pretty much mocked up and on. We have only the front fenders mocked up and on. The front lip is on the car. New piece of the bumper is on the car. The hood still needs a lot of sanding, unfortunately. Probably just going to have to take it off. But it's not looking too bad right about now. The whole car needs to be wiped down probably one more time. And then this piece on the back bumper right here needs to be filled because unfortunately, yeah, I don't know what the heck the guy was doing to try to repair it. So the whole skirt piece needs to be redone. Other than that, I'm going to start masking more of the car off and then getting it ready for paint. So I guess here we go. Alright, so this is going to be the last time you guys see the car like this before it's going to be painted. Obviously, everything still has to come off. We only have that off. The rear fender flare is coming off. Obviously, the back skirt is going to be coming back off and everything. But this is basically the last time you guys will be seeing the car like this. Unfortunately, you guys won't be able to see it finished in this video, but in the next probably 2 videos, this thing will be knocked out, finished, done. You guys are going to get a good look. If you do follow and you are subscribed, go ahead and check out the YouTube community we have. I do post pictures and I guess little updates. I don't post anywhere else on really anything we do here. So if you guys want to check that out, please do go ahead and hit the like, subscribe button. It definitely helps us out tremendously. Like I said, it kind of, I guess, points me in the direction of what you guys like to see and what you guys, I guess, want to watch. With that being said, I do just want to say thank you again, everybody, for, I guess, all the love we have been getting. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.